zoom in Adobe Premiere Pro. So here's my video. First of all, you have to select the video clip and go to Effect Controls. Under Effect Control, here you will find this anchor point. Select the anchor point, and then here you will get this anchor point. You have to add or put this anchor point on the area in which area you want to zoom in. So currently I want to zoom in this baby girl face. So here I'm just adding this anchor point on here. After that, click on Scale and here enable keyframe. So as you can see, the first keyframe added, and now you have to use this tab slider and just move the slider. So for example, I want to zoom in the video in this position. Here I'm adding another keyframe by clicking on this dot, and now I'm just increasing this scale to 150%. And if I play the video from start, let's see what happens. As you can see, my video is now zooming in. And if you want to zoom in the video faster, then you have to decrease the distance between these two keyframes. And then if I play the video, as you can see, the video is zooming faster than before.